Did you know that by 2030 some experts predict we could see commercial electric planes flying passengers across short distances, drastically reducing carbon emissions? The aviation industry is on the cusp of a revolution with new technologies poised to transform the way we travel by air. From reducing emissions to improving safety, these innovations are set to make flying faster, cleaner, and more efficient. One of the biggest challenges facing the aviation industry today is the environmental impact of flying. With air travel expected to continue growing, there's a pressing need to reduce carbon emissions and make flying more sustainable. Safety is another major concern, with the industry constantly looking for ways to minimize the risk of accidents and protect passengers and crew. And then there's the issue of efficiency, with airlines and manufacturers seeking to streamline operations and cut costs. So what's being done to tackle these challenges? Let's dive in. Electric aircraft like those developed by Aviation and Lilium offer a promising solution to reduce emissions. These companies are working on electric planes that could carry passengers on short-haul flights, making air travel not only cleaner, but also more accessible. Advanced materials such as carbon fiber and nanomaterials are being used to make aircraft lighter and more fuel-efficient. And let's not forget artificial intelligence (AI) being integrated into air traffic control systems to optimize flight paths and reduce congestion in the skies. But among all these advancements, one technology stands out: the electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or EVTOLs, also known as flying taxis. Companies like Uber and Joby Aviation are working on EVTOLs that could transform urban mobility, offering a fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly way to travel within cities. Imagine hopping into a flying taxi to avoid traffic jams and arrive at your destination quickly and sustainably. In summary, the future of aviation is looking greener, safer, and more efficient thanks to cutting-edge technologies like electric aircraft, advanced materials, and AI in air traffic control. These innovations are set to transform the industry and our everyday travel experiences. The importance of innovation in this sector cannot be overstated, as it holds the key to addressing the challenges we face today and shaping the future of flight. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these technologies excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. For more fascinating insights into the world of aviation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.